Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rado Bagus Koro, and I'm here for the project Language Testing and Evaluation. This is a report from my observation and evaluation in High School 11 Samarinda. So the first is validity of the test. Reading comprehension is ability to understand, interpret, and analyze writing text. According to Jeremy Harper, reading involves identify one idea, understanding specific information, and making inference, and interpreting meaning from the context. In narrative text, students are expected to understand plot, character, sequence, or even and moral value. The test consists of 10 short answer questions based on two narrative texts, King Arthur and Little Red Riding Hood. The questions are designed to measure student ability to identify the main idea, specific information, inference, question of event, reference, and moral value. Based on a comparison between the theoretical problem and the test item, it can be concluded that the test has a good construct fidelity. The item appropriately measure student reading comprehension skill in narrative text. So this is the content fidelity. In the basic component indicator is a main idea for the question 1, the test item. Identify specific information. Question 2, 3, and 6 make inference. Question 4 and question 8 understanding sequence. Question 7 and identify reference. Question 9 and identify moral value for question 10, and all of that is appropriate for appropriateness. The test show that the good content validity because the all items are relevant to the indicator and cover key aspect of narrative reading comprehension. So this is the result. Most of the result were count and being data in IBM SPSS. So for reading for reliability of the test, reliability I'm using a Kornberg Alpha. As you can see here, this is a measure for the interpretation. For example, like 0.8, 10 to 1 is very high and below 0.20 is very low. The reliability of the test was measured using Kronberg Alpha to determine the internal consistency of the instrument. The analysis involved 10 short answer items administered to 35 students. The results show that the reliability of coefficient was 0.576, indicating a moderated level of reliability. This suggests that the test has acceptable consistency in measuring student reading comprehension ability. And the B is item analysis. So the first is item difficulty. As you can see in the data from I taken IBM SPSS, here is descriptive statistic. This is the mean. This is the number of the student. Minimum of this is the lowest score and this is the highest score. This is the mean and this is using a P. This is the category to measure it: easy, moderate, and difficult. The item difficulty index was calculated to determine the level of difficulty each using the following formula. The formula is using formula P, meaning that mean per 2. Results show that question 1 and question 8 was categorized as moderated, and the rest of it was categorized as easy. This indicates that the most items were relevant with the easy for student. The second is discrimination power. As you can see, this is the upper meaning and this is the lower meaning using formula D. This is the measurement. Discrimination power was calculated to determine the ability of the item to distinguish highly achieving student from low achievement student using the following formula, using formula D. Meaning is mean upper minus meaning lower per 2. The result indicate that question 4, 5, 9, and 10 had a very good discrimination power. Question 1 had a good discrimination power. Question 3, 6, 7 had fair discrimination power. Question 2 and 8 has a poor discrimination power. This indicates that there are several items were effective in distinguishing students with high and low reading abilities. Some items still require revision. And for the third is distracted analysis. Distracted analysis was not concluded because the test was consists of short answer question rather than multiple choice item. And we have a report result of the trial. The trial was conducted with 35 students to evaluate the quality of the item. The reliability analysis showed that a cronback coefficient of 0.576, indicating a moderate level of reliability. Item difficulty analysis revealed that most items was categorized as easy, while question 1 and 8 was categorized as moderated. This suggests that most students were able to answer the item correctly. The discrimination analysis showed that question 4, 5, 9, and 10 has a very good discrimination power, while 2 and 8 show a poor discrimination power. Therefore, some items may need revision to improve their efficiency to distinct students with different ability levels. So the improvement of the test based on the result of the examination and tryout analysis, several improvements were made on the test item. Item 2 and 8 were revision because they show poor discrimination power. The wording of this question was modified to make them clear and more efficient in distinguishing students with high and low reading ability. In addition, several items were reviewed and improved clarity and reduce possible ambiguity. These revisions were intended to improve the reliability of the quality of the test. So that's it for me. The report that I observed and evaluated in high school level Samarinda. That's it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.